Hi, folks. Hope you're doing well today. Ever heard of the tale behind Unity Day in Russia? It's not a tale that the Polish or the Lithuanians like to hear. It was the year 1612. Russia was in a very dark place, and this period of Russian history is referred to as the Time of Troubles. About a third of the Russian population was dead due to famines, war, and plagues. The Swedes and the LARPing Sarmatian Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth had made considerable geopolitical gains inside Russian territory. The Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, in particular, had been occupying these cities of Smolensk and Moscow. Eventually, the local Russians were able to raise armies that were good enough to fight back and kick out the foreign troops from their lands. There were two particular figures, Prince Pozharsky and Kuzma Minin, who was a merchant. They organized a militia that attacked Moscow and threw out the Polish garrisons from the city in the November of 1612. A monument to both men was completed in the Red Square in Moscow, right in front of St. Basil's Cathedral in 1818. Since the year 2005, this victory by Pozharsky and Kuzma Minin in the Battle of Moscow has been commemorated every year in Russia on the 4th of November as their National Unity Day. The holiday was first established into the fulcrum of Russian culture by the Romanov dynasty back in 1613. Up until the Soviets replaced that holiday with the commemoration of the Bolshevik Revolution, and Putin had to reestablish the holiday back into the cornerstone of the national culture again in the post-communist period. And the rest is history, and this is where I end my dissertation. Thank you for watching.